Hello guys, good evening from this side, and I know the time in Nigeria at the moment is around 11:34 precisely. But right here the time is 6:34. So guys, as you can see, these are three cars that I believe that are about to be loaded. So we actually have 5 cars. So I believe the prof will decide. The other 2 are inside, so prof is going to decide which 4 he's going to be sending, which 4 out of the 5 he's going to be sending. So this right here is the 2018 Toyota Camry SE. 2018 Toyota Camry SE, and you can see how it looks. This is just where the impact happened. It just happened here, and you're gonna see a bit that in a minute that I did not blow any airbags. None of the airbag was affected in the car. You see, none of the airbag was affected. It was blown. You see, it has open roof, and it's a key entry. It's not the keyless entry. It has the key. So I think this should be from under the car. I see a black on black interior with the nice sporty wheels. With the nice sporty wheels. This is another the second car that I'll be going to. You guys have seen it before. It's the 2023 Toyota 4Runner, and I think they've already taken the Sienna, the 013 Sienna. So I believe that should be going, and including these 2, then 1 from inside also, to make it 4 cars. I'll be going. I just wanted to, hop on this video and just give you guys an update. Just give you guys an update on the arrangements. The container is already here. That's the container right there. So it will soon be positioned. It will soon be positioned, for loading. So guys, at this point I'm going to end the video. I just wanted to, like I said, give you guys an update on the arrangements for shipment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Do have a wonderful weekend and Saturday evening. Bye for now. Oh, that's the prof. So this right here is a 2023 GMC. He just came in. He just came with this. GMC Denali. So this is how the interior looks.
This is the reverse neutral drive.
This one is full electronics.
Yeah, well, drive.
Okay guys, that's it. Do have a wonderful weekend, and as always, we appreciate your business, guys. We appreciate it. We thank you. Oh, you want to show them?
Come show them. Come show them. This one staircase.
Okay guys, so this is another 2023 Tundra. I think this is the 3rd Tundra we've received in about 3 weeks. This one is a TRD Tundra. I think the first one was a Platinum Tundra. The second was a TRD Sport Tundra, and this particular one here is a TRD. This one is just doesn't really have, you know, much bells and whistles. It's just pretty standard. You know, it doesn't have much interesting things in it. It's pretty standard, you know. Just okay. This one was bought from a dealership, so it is not accidental. It's not accidental. It was bought from a dealership. Like if you go in, you know, the previous one, that's the Platinum. When you open the door, the staircase step comes out, and it has a bigger screen. I think a 14-inch screen, but this one has, I think that looks like a 7 or 8-inch screen. You know, no moonroof. It's just pretty basic and standard. The TRD SR5 Tundra. So guys, that's it for today. I'll be catching you guys in the next one by next week. Do have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now.